Okay, I'm on my Fitbit Versa 4 here, and I'm just going to activate the relax feature. I'm just going to push the side button there, and then from there, it's in my recent section here, but if I scroll down, I should be able to see the relax app right there. I'm just going to push that just like that. And then from here, there's some additional settings here. It says relax guided breathing, 1 minute settings, and then a play button there. I'm just going to push the settings real quick here. And then it says right here, guided breathing, take slow deep breaths to relax, and then it gives you the duration of time, vibrations, and then start. Now moving back here, I'm just going to push the 1 minute, and it gives you a maximum of 10 minutes, and then with a minimum of 1 minute. For the sake of the video, we'll just do 1 minute. As soon as I push this, we're going to be ready to go here. So I'm going to push that, and now we're fired off here. It's going to say be still, and then it's going to be monitoring my breathing. And right now it's going to be saying sensing your breathing. Finally, it says thanks for taking the time. Reflect on how you felt. I'm going to just skip that for now, and then it's going to say way to go, 1 of 7 mindfulness days, and then it is going to give you a bunch of statistics and data here you can take a look at, and then you can kind of come to your own conclusions there. I'm just going to push done at the end here, and we're done checking out the Relax app.